Hi guys, it's Friendly Advice. I finally was able to get a labeler in my life, and it is back to school now. So I thought I am gonna start the new year with labeling all the stuff for my kids. So I got this battery operated, even though I would love a wire operated, but this is a battery operated Dymo labeler. So I have opened it up and I'm going to show you how it works. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, I have downloaded this Dymo app on my phone, and here first thing I'm going to do is I am going to label the subjects because I bought these folders for my child. So I'm going to put labels on each folder. So let me create a label. So there are pre-made templates they have given, as you can see right here in the app. So you can select whatever you like, or you can even go make your own. So if you wanted to make one by yourself, you just press this plus, and I am going to write the first subject that I'm going to use is social skills. So social skills. I want to actually make it in I want to make sure it uses capitals. So I'll use this and I'll write social skills. Social. And then I will say done. And then you can actually modify this label according to, I say save. And there's the label right here, social skills. So all I have to do is, if I wanted to put some other, like if I want to put border, I'm going to put a border on it. So I can select various borders. I can put flowers. And then I can also, what I can do is here, the text style, I can make the size, it is the biggest size they have. And I just wanted to do one more thing. I wanted to make it, the font, it tells you whatever you want. I can even use Arial, which is great. And what else can I do? Okay, great. Now then, I go back, I say save. This is how the label looks. Now all you do is make sure your Bluetooth on the phone is on. Then you turn on this Dymo. It is on. And then I go press, I select my label, and I'm gonna print it. So all I do is select this button right here. And I'm going to press print and make sure it is near my Dymo machine. It's connecting through Bluetooth and it is sending the data, and it is printing my label that I just did, social skills. That is the subject that I have, and I'm going to let it print. Once it's printed, I pick up this machine and I need to cut this label. So I press this button right here, the scissors button, all the way. And then here's my label, social skills. That's first subject. So now it's nice and neat and clean. I am going to put stick this onto my child's folder. So it will be nice and clean for the teacher. Will be very happy because I have done the job of labeling everything, and when your daughter or son goes into classroom, they know exactly which folder they are in. I will stick this folder the sticker right here, and it will be done. So this is how you label. Very easy to use, very, very user friendly. So I would highly recommend this machine for you. So that's the way to go to organize yourself for Thank you for watching my video. So here you go. Nice and clean sticker on the folder. And it's one way to organize your child's life at school and helping them to become successful. So try the labels. You can use it in your kitchen, in your other birthday parties, gifts, and everything. It's a great product and very easy to use, 100%. So thank you for watching and sharing my video. Have a great new school year.